Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on deleting friends in COD Mobile. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. To start, from the main dashboard of COD Mobile, tap the Friends icon at the top right of the screen. Select Friends from the left sidebar. This shows a list of all your friends. Find the one you want to remove and then tap the trash icon beside their name. Confirm you want to remove them as a friend in the pop-up. That friend has now been deleted. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more COD Mobile tips and tricks.